Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the answers of exercise 2.4 chapter 2 polynomials class 9 NCERT. So let's start with first question. In first question we have to prove that if x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, given polynomial, is it or not? So start. First question है x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and we have to check that if it is a factor of x plus 1. So here x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So we have to put the value of x in this polynomial. If this comes 0, then x plus 1 is a factor of this. So let's put it. X is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel off is equal to 0. So therefore x plus 1 is a factor of given px. Now second part, and second part is x raised to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So we have to check this if it is completely divides by x plus 1 or not. So let's check. First of all, same step. Plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So we have to put this value in this polynomial. If this comes 0, then x plus 1 is a factor of this. So let's put it. Minus 1 raised to the power 4 plus minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 4 is equal to 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, and remainder is 1. And so remainder is not 0, then x plus 1 is not a factor of x raised to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now third part, we have x raised to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. We have also checked this. Is it completely divided by x plus 1 or not? So let's start. Same step first. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. If by putting this value in this polynomial, if this polynomial comes 0, then x plus 1 is a factor. So x minus 1 raised to the power 4 plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 whole cube plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1, remainder is 1 but not 0. So it is not a factor of x raised to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now last part. Now last part, x cube minus x square minus 2 plus under root 2 multiplied by x plus under root 2. We have checked also that is it completely divides by x plus 1 or not. So that is start. Gx or is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, same step. So we have to put this value in this polynomial. If this comes 0, then it is factor of this. So polynomial x is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus under root 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus under root 2. So minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 minus 1, it will become minus 1 because minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 and plus minus minus, so minus 1. So minus 1 minus minus will be cancelled, so 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to plus 2 and under root 2, because if we multiply any number by 1, this gives same number. So under root 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to under root 2 plus under root 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2, minus 2 plus 2 cancelled off, the root 2 plus under root 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by under root 2. So this is not coming 0, so x plus 1 here not a factor of x cube minus x square minus 2 plus under root 2 multiplied by x plus under root 2.